I got a question to ask. What is treasure? What makes it valuable? Is it how rare it is or how unique it is? What makes it worth searching for? Is all treasure the same in some way? Or are there certain traits that makes one thing more treasure than something else? Let me give you an example. This is a rock that has some silver on it. It's not particularly rare. It's worth about $20 to $30 to a rock collector. The silver inside, it's probably worth about $1 or $2. Now I want to show you another piece of silver. This coin is 400-year-old Spanish silver. This one was captured by the Dutch and then shipwrecked for hundreds of years. It was only recently found near a beach in the Bahamas. Both are silver, but one is treasure. Okay. Well, let's get the story on this. It is a Columbus watch. And ooh. Look at that. This is 15 jewel right there. Very pretty inscription. The serial number says this was made in 1893, which it's crazy when you think about the fact that like this was made before like electricity was used in most homes. This looks like it was hand carved. It's got these little, I don't know if you can see, it's got these little scenes. And then it also has other scenes, like it's got a little bird right there, and it's got a little sailboat. Hey, still runs. Take my still running. This is definitely treasure. Now let's look at one more thing. The human heart. With a beat as unique as a fingerprint. Even more unique is your individual DNA sequence. No one on the earth has ever been like you, and there will never be anyone like you on the earth again. The coin and the watch are similar to human beings in that they are unique, one of a kind. And one more observation, they were all thoughtfully and carefully created. You have a creator, and he calls you his masterpiece. And that means that God's greatest treasure is you.